Hornbill Festival is a celebration of the unity between the 16 plus tribes here in Nagaland in northeast India. And don't worry, these tribal people are not like the North Sentinelese. They're friendly, we're going to be fine. You might have seen this in the news recently. And I find that northeast India is often overlooked by tourists and by Indians alike because it's remote, it's hard to travel. But these things come with their benefits, right? So it is the most untouched part of India. It's the most natural part of India. Some will say it's the most beautiful part of India. And it's also the most culturally different part of India. It's so different to North and South India. You'll be really surprised when you come here how different it is. So let's go celebrate tribal culture. Let's get stuck into the food, let's get stuck into the dance, and whatever else we can find. So there's a government official, the tourist police. And what they're doing is they're handing out Bibles to every single person who enters Hornbill Festival. And I've heard about Christians converting people in the northeast India, but I didn't know it was like that. I didn't know the government was involved in it as well. So yeah, I took the Bible and I was like, what is this? And I realized what it was, and I gave it back to them so they can give it to somebody else who will actually read it. But like I said in another video, my schooling was all Christian and Catholic schooling, so I know the stories anyway. Wait, why did you take the Bible? You're a Hindu.
I didn't know it was a Bible. I thought it was some tourist brochure or something.
How do you feel about them giving Bibles out here to you?
It shouldn't be the government officials doing it. I mean, if someone else does it, fine, but...
India's secular, right?
It is.
So they say. So they say. We're in the tribal village right now, and this whole Hornbill Festival is separated up into 3 or 4 different kind of parts. So there's the craft market, there's the food court, there's the performance stage, and then there is a traditional Nagaland type village. And each of the tribes has been given their own house where they can sell their own wares or cook food or dance and just show off their culture. So you can see them right behind me right now. This is one of the tribe's houses and where they're performing. Because we're so high up in the mountains here in the northeast of India, it gets cold so quickly, and the sun sets at like 5 p.m. It's so weird to be that dark at 5 p.m. It feels like 10 p.m. at 5 p.m. It's a really strange feeling. You know, I'm gonna put a jumper on now. It's freezing. Hornbill Festival is such a unique experience to discover all these unique Indian tribes. Like, a lot of people don't even realize there are tribal people here in India. And the way they do things is just so different and nice and so interesting to see. The aesthetic is different, everything is different. And the girls, don't tell my girlfriend this, okay? They are cute here. Okay, so I found the government of India here at Hornbill Festival, and one thing I noticed that was different here in Nagaland was the amount of equal opportunity here. So I saw a lot of women working here, and I just don't see that much in Delhi. So like, I saw women who were mainly controlling the traffic here in the city of Kohima. And then you've got a lot of women tourist police as well. Yeah, I've just noticed a real balance in the genders here when it comes to work. And I'm told that it's not unique to Nagaland, but it's something that you will notice here straight away. They're here in Nagaland also promoting all the different sectors like IT and medical, and they're trying to upskill the Nagaland people here as well, the government of India. So on the first day of Hornbill, not a lot actually happens. There's mainly speeches all afternoon from government people, and you know, it's really boring. Then they receive the chief guest who comes in with a big pomp, and this year it's a BJP politician. So yeah, like, if you're coming, you don't need to arrive till the second day. that's when it all really kicks off. And Hornbill, it goes on for another 9 days. It's a 10-day long festival. How do you guys like that dancing? It's so unique, and this is the only place where you're gonna find all of these tribes performing together here at Hornbill. You gotta come here. Mother, you're letting off muskets behind me. Hi, how are you?
Fine.
Where did you get these guns from?
These are ancient guns.
Ancient guns. So they're loading the guns with this gunpowder. He's making sure it all goes down the, I guess you call it muzzle, and the trigger's gonna hit and explode the gunpowder basically. Then you gotta compact the gunpowder with this. It's old school English type guns, rifles. Hang on, gun's gonna go off, guys. You're gonna get a fright.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, so those aren't British guns, these are Indian-made guns. The tribes were making them here.
1, 2, 3.
Hi. Which tribe are you from? Which tribe? Foam. Acha. J Foam. And what is this? Rice bear? Acha. Kana. Everything's funny to these women. I think they had a little bit too much to drink, no? ठीक है थोड़ा थोड़ा हाँ बहुत अच्छा everything's funny, I love it. Cheers. They are so smashed. Good for them, they're enjoying. It's lunchtime here at the moment in this small village hut. And they're eating chicken, rice, a kind of spinach. And then they've got a couple of grapes and this porridgey kind of rice mixture. And I think it's called golad. But don't quote me on that. McGinn,
Yeah.
I need your review of Hornbill Festival. How is it? Do you recommend it?
It's totally tribal. That's, yeah, I don't know. So many people and colors and it's beautiful.
Have you seen anything like it before?
No, never.
It's unique?
Never. Yeah, definitely.
And wait, one more.
Look at that. Just,
Uh,
I have no idea what they're doing. Making a canoe kind of thing?
looks like. And just tell me, I got one more question for you.
Yeah.
Is India incredible?
Oh yeah. It's more than incredible. It's mind-blowing.
Let's do some shopping now, though, so let's see what kind of crafts we can find here. So craft-wise, you've got a lot of flax work, you've got a lot of bead work in the jewellery you can see. And then we've got a lot of woodwork here as well. These earrings here are my favorite. Check out how beautiful these are. Try the short red ones, these ones. Henna?
Her mom made them.
Wow. These are traditional kind of Nagaland earrings, and we've seen a lot of girls wearing these. As soon as you put them on, you just start looking like a Nagaland chick. Hey, it's cute. So these tribal crafts, they consist of a lot of woodwork, a lot of beadwork in the jewelry. And then you've got a lot of shawls, warm shawls, because it's really cold here. Then you've got some flax work as well, baskets made of flax. And it's all made from the vegetation that you can find here in northeast India. This is also something special from Manipur, and this is black clay pottery. It feels like metal. I don't know if that's because it's so cold here, but it doesn't feel like clay at all. It feels really, really sturdy, really strong. So there is a reason it feels so strong. It's clay and black stone. So I'm guessing that's where the black comes from the stone, and that's why it feels so strong, this pottery. What do you like here, Manu? What's your favorite thing you found?
I like the wooden stuff.
These are cool now. Like, let me show you how smooth they are inside. Super smoothly carved inside there, and they're actually usable. They're not just ornaments. What are these for?
Chopping meat,
Acha. Machetes, no? What did you just say to me? You're crazy. She's crazy. She just said she's gonna slice my throat with this. I'm not an animal. You can't eat me. Pagal. This is the hornbill bird, which the festival is named after, and it's actually endangered. Very, very beautiful. Hope we get to see one. I'm not usually that good to shop with. I hate shopping, so you'll find me sitting in like the corner of the mall, like wherever I can find a chair, so I don't have to walk around and watch people try clothes on. Oh, boring. I just send her on her own shopping. I don't go. I've had an amazing and a totally unique time here in Hornbill Festival. You can't find this anywhere else. This is incredible, India. And I really hope that Indian tribes are protected, that their culture is protected, and that it grows, and that it's not destroyed by modern life, by modern ways of living, by modern construction, just by modern everything. I really hope they can preserve their lives and their culture, and we can continue to celebrate it and enjoy it with them. Jai Hind.